So if your iPhone Air is not ringing for incoming calls and just stays silent when there is a call, here are some quick ways that you can try to fix it. So first off, just swipe down the control center, and from here make sure your Air is not on any focus or do not disturb mode. Also, if silent mode is on, you can disable it from here. You can also turn off silent and switch to ringer mode from the action button, whatever way is comfortable to you. If it's still not ringing, and just in case if any Bluetooth device or headphone speaker is connected to your iPhone, you can either disconnect them or just turn off Bluetooth. If that still didn't work, just go to settings, scroll down for sounds and haptics, and in the ringer and alert section, make sure the ringtone is turned up, because whatever you do will never work if this option is turned down. And at the same time, you can give your device a force restart. Just press and release the volume up and down button and press and hold down the side button until it shows the Apple logo. Sometimes, even if everything is okay, the ringer doesn't work just for some minor glitch, and this will solve that. And hopefully your incoming calls should start ringing after that. Thanks for watching.